her outspoken demeanor cannot delude. Sweetness of her words, like Rumi's flute. Didn't meet Da Vinci, never been to Florence. Brings about Renaissance, her Lisa's like innocence. Blush appear on her cheeks as she shies, and conquered the blood moon in the skies. Instilled love for poor and hate wealthy hypocrites. Ships of humanity sails through her heart's streets. Epitome of honor treats old ones with reverence. Such traits exalt her role as a preacher of forbearance. Has nerve to serve, refrains from an act of excess. May this service become her source of success. May this service become her source of success.